Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Back with another special Boss 429, 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429, obviously. This is KK 2363 Calypso Coral, white interior. This is restored to be an absolute stud. Beautiful Calypso Coral paint. Beautiful white interior. You can see that 70 Boss 429. Hood scoop. Obviously they went to black instead of body color. In 70, you can see the original headlights in this one. Polyglass, Goodyear, no size tires. You can see that Boss front spoiler. They shared that one with the Boss 302. With the Boss 429 decal on here. Obviously pretty plain Jane on the outside for the most part, these Boss 9s. See those Mag 500 wheels. We'll get to that white interior when I get around the other side. Just take you around. Beautiful chrome and trim. See that BR Wilson Ford. That's where this one sold new in North Carolina. Pretty cool touch there. See just how beautiful this one is. Excellent paint job laid on by Billups Restoration. He's the one that did this one. You can hear that door dinging with the buzzer. See a beautiful white interior. Original seat belts. This one does have some miles, 52,000 miles put on this one. So quite a bit. See them door panels. So like we said, beautiful inside and out. Billups did a hell of a job with this restoration. We got it in here last couple weeks and been fine-tuning this one. Doing some detailing and things from over the years. A lot of original parts on this one. This is also matching numbers drivetrain. So you can see that rotational number there, 18. You can see all the phosphate parts throughout, all the batch paint parts throughout. A lot of original components through this one. We'll fire this one up, let you guys hear it run in just a second. And we'll also take you to the trunk right about now. So let's hop on back there. All right, here we go, we're on the trunk. You can see we got a Group 24 in there just to drive it around. But this is the Group 29 battery. You can see the vent caps, the hose, the tube, everything. Over here you see that 775 spare, extremely hard to find. See the jack, the handle, the whole bit. Here's that Elite Marty report. You can see on there, Calypso Coral, white interior, KK 2363. So there's only 13 of these built. There's only 5 known to exist. So very rare color combo. So we're gonna fire this one up. We'll let you guys hear it run. Here we go. All right, we're gonna fire up KK 2363 and we'll take her back to the shop and show you guys the underneath side because this car's fantastic. Numbers matching drivetrain. We're gonna get ready to fire it up. As you can see, fires right up. This sumbitch runs. I believe Jason had his father, his late father, build this motor, if I'm not mistaken. He did a lot of engine work for him, and he did an excellent job. And not only did he do an excellent job on this one, but he's a hell of a guy and a hell of a man. And, we're grateful to know him, or to have known him. We'll take you a stroll around. You hear those solid lifters. I love that sound on those aluminum valve covers. That sound dead in the back there, done exactly how it should be. We'll rev it up a couple times more. There she is, KK 2363. All right, we're back in the shop, KK 2363. Like we said before, one of just a few Calypso Coral white interiors known to exist. 5 of them known out there. And this is one. This is actually one of just a couple that are matching numbers. You can see just how well restored this one is. Obviously, we've had it in the shop for a little bit here, going through it, making this one an absolute stud. But this one was restored by Jason Billups Restoration. He did a fantastic job on it, and we just went through it, detailed it up here at Nate's Classic Cars, getting this thing absolutely dialed in. Again, Scott Fuller exhaust on this one, the best in the business. You can see all this seam sealer done correctly, the oversprays, the batch paint, the oversprays on the bell housing, all the color codes throughout, plating on the rods, those KKX shocks, auto lights, stencil on the gas tank. Get you an overview, but one absolute stud here. At Nate's Classic Cars. See those drips and runs in the paint just as it left the factory. Original engine and transmission on this one. Like we said, one of just a few that are numbers matching. Happy to have it here at Nate's Classic Cars. So check us out. We get a lot of Boss 9s in. Nobody sells more Boss 9s than Nate's Classic Cars. And we're happy to have this stud here.